Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to take a look at penny stock to keep your eye on, Aemetis Inc. Ticker symbol AMTX. Remember, all uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes only and is just my opinion. Guys, while you're here, please hit them like and subscribe buttons and help us grow this channel so we can continue to bring the latest hot stocks and content your way. And if you'd like to join our Discord community, it's 100% free and you can find the link in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. Aemetis Inc. operates as a renewable fuels and biochemicals company in North America and India. The company focuses on the acquisition, development, and commercialization of various technologies that replace traditional petroleum-based products, primarily through the conversion of ethanol and biodiesel plants into advanced biorefineries. It owns and operates an ethanol facility in the California Central Valley near Modesto, and a renewable chemical and advanced fuel production facility on the east coast of India. The company sells biodiesel and refined glycerin to transport companies. It also produces ethanol, and wet distillers grains, distillers corn oil, and condensed distillers solubles to dairies and feedlots as animal feed. In addition, it produces dairy biogas, and high-grade sanitizer alcohol and various feed products. The company was formerly known as Air Biofuels Inc. and changed its name to Aemetis Inc. in November 2011. Aemetis Inc. was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Cupertino, California. Aemetis has become one of the new entrants to the EV arena recently. Last month, the company announced that its Aemetis Properties Riverbank Inc. subsidiary acquired roughly 20% ownership of Nevo Motors Inc. This was under a strategic electric vehicle production facilities agreement and will use current and future Aemetis manufacturing facilities and fueling stations and renewable natural gas and renewable electricity produced by Aemetis. High-capacity electric vehicles from Nevo Motors are designed for heavy cargo and long range. With alternative fuel in mind, this month, the company announced its exclusively licensed below-zero carbon renewable fuel production technology was awarded U.S. patent number 10,907,184, to be published February 2, 2021. This enables the launch of its carbon zero production plants to commercialize the technology. These carbon zero plants are integrated with existing Aemetis production facilities to produce energy-dense renewable fuels using renewable energy and below-zero carbon intensity waste feedstocks. But it isn't just alternative fuel that Aemetis is targeting. It's also gaining traction in alternative energy. Last week, its carbon zero biofuels production process received a total of $16.8 million of solar energy and other energy efficiency grants to fund upgrades of the Keys, California plant. This will support the production of zero-carbon renewable fuel. The renewable energy and efficiency projects funded by the grants have already been launched into the design, permitting, construction, and commissioning process. These projects are said to provide an estimated $18 million per year of increased margin, equal to about 75 cents net income per share annually. Early in Biden's presidency, there are numerous catalysts to look at when it comes to energy stocks. We can look at the positives for traditional oil and gas and the growing green energy trend. No matter what, keep an eye on things like sentiment and, with oil and gas, keep track of active commodities prices. Quick shifts in the price of oil can become big sources of momentum, in either direction. With this in mind, will these energy stocks be on your watch list during the final days of January? Aemetis last released its earnings results on November 17, 2020. The specialty chemicals company reported 59 cents earnings per share for the quarter, missing the consensus estimate of 5 cents by 54 cents. The company earned $40.92 million during the quarter. Aemetis has generated $1.75 earnings per share over the last year. Aemetis has not formally confirmed its next earnings publication date, but the company's estimated earnings date is Thursday, March 11, 2021, based off prior year's report dates. Insider ownership is 28.32%. Institutional ownership is 12.89%. The two analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Aemetis Inc. have a median target of $7.13, with a high estimate of 10.00 and a low estimate of 4.25. The median estimate represents a plus 62.30% increase from the last price of 4.39. Please remember, I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Always do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. As always, if you liked the video, please help us grow this channel by hitting the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and take care.